Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, in this video, I got a banger for you, all right? You already know. So check this out, man. What I want to talk about today is stop trying to get rich in one trade. You hear what I'm saying? I'm going to say it one more time. Stop trying to get rich in one trade, all right? So in this video, I got some things I want to show you, I want to break down for you, all right? Now, before we get started, I want to say be sure to like this video. When we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to do something special, all right? So let's get this channel to 2,000 subscribers. Another thing, all right? What I want you guys to do is if you have certain questions, random questions, I want you to shoot me an email, okay? I'm going to put the email right here, all right? Also in the description. If you want to get a random question answered, email me. And I'm going to start having these questions, and I'm gonna start answering these questions on these videos. All right, that's what I'm gonna start doing. So email me with whatever questions, and as the questions start coming in, I'll start answering those and doing videos about those. Okay. So with that being said, let's get into it. Stop trying to get rich in one trade. All right. Now, let me show you guys something real quick. All right. Let me show you guys something real quick. I have to say, shout out to the Discord, right? Shout out to everybody in the Prosperity Collective, because today we smacked some bangers, all right? Straight bangers. So we got 100% trades popping off, all right? 100% profit here. He got, 131 profit. Shout out to Mikey. Shout out to Best B. Jay Honey smacked Hims for 52%. 46% trade right here. What else we got? We got Ashley. She smacked 300% on Palantir. Big D, she got 171% trade. All right. So I just gotta show love, man, to everybody in the Prosperity Collective, man. Shout out to you guys. All right. Next week we're gonna do it all over again, and July is gonna be a phenomenal month. All right. So with that being said, I want you guys to know and understand something. There is a book that I read a while ago. All right, I'm gonna put it right here. Go get this book right here. All right, The Compound Effect. All right, by Darren Hardy. All right, jumpstart your income, your life, and your success. Now, there's a reason why this book is a bestseller and is still relevant to this day. I read this book back in when I was in the military. I'm talking about back in 2000 and 2011, somewhere around there. 2011, I read this book. And I locked in on it, okay? So it talks about compounding results, all right? We've heard of compound interest, but what about compound results, all right? So stop trying to get rich in one trade. Now, here's what happens. You start trading, and you want to take your account from $1,000 to $5,000. You want to hurry up and get your first $100 trade. You want to hurry up and get your first $1,000 trade. And what usually ends up happening is you take a trade, you over leverage your account, right? You got 1,000 in there, you put 800 into a trade, and then what happens? You lose 60%. You don't know how to get out. You have no risk management. You don't know how to manage your trade. And then what happens? Now your account went from 1,000 to 200 to 300. Now you mad and you ain't got no extra money to put into the account, right? So I want to say stop trying to get rich in one trade. I know it's not popular, right? But I want you to understand you got to have the proper risk management to get where you want to get to over time, okay? So I have a tool, and I'm going to show you guys something, all right? So check this out. Check this out. So y'all see this right here. This is a compounding calculator, but it's for trading. All right, so let's say you start your account with $1,000. All right, this says number of periods right here. This is trading periods, okay? So how many trading days do we have in a month? So let's go for July. So for July, for next month, we got 1, 2, 3 for July 4th, and then we got 5, so that's 8, plus another 5. That is 8 plus 5 is 13, and then another 5 is 18. And then we got 4 days left the last week. So we got 22 trading days in the month of July, okay? So we got 22 periods, all right? So remember that. So if you got $1,000 in your account and you're using a proper risk management, let's say that you like, okay, I think a very safe number is, what if you just grew your portfolio by 3% a day? Your portfolio, okay? Not a 3% trade, but your portfolio, okay? Let's see what that looks like. So we got 22 trading days in July, all right? So if we put in right here, you increase your portfolio growth by 3% every day, right? In one day, how much will your account grow? It'll grow by $30, right? It doesn't sound like a lot, but let's put 22 trading days in, okay, for the month, and we calculate that. That means that if you focus on, when you got a small account, right, you start off making $30 a day, right? That means that you can grow your account by $900 in that first month, all right? Now, some days you may have a day where you make $200. You may have a day where you make $400. But on average, if you're averaging, let's say between you know, $30 and $70 a day, you're gonna get there. Now, right here it shows what it looks like, okay? So if you grow your account by 3%, right, every day, this is what it looks like, okay? First day, you grew it by 3%. You made 1030, 6%, 9%. This is how compounding works right here, okay? This is how compounding works right here. So all you have to do is say, okay. I have $1,000, okay? Now that you know those numbers, what does that equate to? So 1916 divided by 22. No, 916 for the profit. 916 divided by 22, that's $41 a day. That's $41 in profit every single day. You mean to tell me you can't make $41 in profit a day? Yes, you can. But you have to be able to have proper risk management. All right? Now watch this. Let's just play with some numbers. Let's say you like, okay, I'm not starting with $1,000. I'm starting with $2,500. All right. And we got 25 days, 22 days next month. If I focus on growing my portfolio by 3% every day, look at that. You almost doubled it. You hear what I'm saying? You almost doubled it. Okay? In 1 month. I'm talking about in 1 month and 22 days. Where else can you go and you could put $2,500 into a situation, into a system, and then you could double that amount of money in 22 days, business days, 30 days total. It don't work like that, right? The stock market and learning how to trade is the only place where you can do that legally, right? Let's say you start with 5K. All right, 22 days, 3% a day. Look at that. That's a double up, almost. You almost doubled your account off of just 3%. Like I say, some days you're gonna have a day where you grow your account by 15%. Some days it's just them days. But if we average it out, and so let's look at this. 5K, right? That's $4,500, right? $4,580. For a $5,000 account, $4,580 divided by 22, that's $200 a day on average. Okay? But the first day, you see day one, you start with 5,000, you get 3% gain, that's $150 in a day. Right? But what we're talking about here is compounding. We're not trying to get rich off of just one trade. We're not trying to get rich off of one trade. We're not trying to do that. You see what I'm saying? And then we go back to the 2,500 and we calculate that for 22 trading days. All right. So that's $2,290. Okay. So $2,290 divided by 22. That's $104 a day. $104 a day. with a $2,500 account. You can do that, right? That's one solid trade a day. One solid trade a day. With the proper risk management, you can easily make that. You can easily make that. With the way that we trade, right? You can easily make that. You have to stop trying to swing for the fences every trade. Stop over leveraging in these trades. That's how you're going to blow up your account. Okay? I'm showing you that all the numbers right here, right in front of your face. Right? This is simple, but we make it easy. I mean, it's simple, but it's not easy. Okay? As human beings, we overcomplicate so many things. You do not have to overcomplicate this stuff. At the end of the day, focus on compounding your growth. All right, so this is what you do. You say, okay, my account is at $1,000. Okay, if I grow my portfolio by 3% today, what is that? I go to 1,000, right? Well, you could go to 3%. How you want to do it? 1,000, right? Divided by 3%, 0.03. All right, boom. Okay, if I sit here and I make $30, I grew my account by 3%. All right. Now then you can say, okay, if my account right now is at 2K and I'm starting this tomorrow or July 1st and I want to grow my account by 3%, what do? 2,000 divided by 0.03 for 3%, boom, right? Or 0.003, right? No, it's 0.03. 0.3 is 30%, so 0.03 is 3%, right? Okay, I got 2K. I want to grow my account by 3% a day. That's $66, right? It's just a third of however much is in that account. That's all you got to do, right? Or not a third, but you guys get what I'm saying, right? At the end of the day, 3%. That's all you got to focus on. Or you could say 2%, or you can say 4%. You got to make your number, but I want you to understand the bigger the number that you want to grow the account by per day, obviously it's going to take more. That's why most people say if you grow your account by 2 to 3% on an average day, you good money. You are good money. And if you just focus on that 3% every single day, you cannot lose. You cannot lose, but you have to stop trying to get rich off of one trade, right? Because here's what happens. When you try to get rich off of one trade, you end up blowing your account. When you focus on compounding your account, you find trades that just come to you, and then what happens? You end up getting rich. I always say, get rich over time, not overnight. Y'all done heard me say that a million times at this point, and I'm gonna keep saying it. Get rich over time, not overnight. Focus on growing your account by a specific percentage over a consistent basis, and that's how you're gonna grow. All right? Stop trying to get rich off of one trade. That's how you blow up your account and you end up going backwards rather than going forwards, and you keep running on this hamster wheel feeling like, damn, I ain't where I want to be. I ain't where I want to be. Or your account is at 2K, you up $200, you ain't happy with that. You get in another trade and you lose $250, and now you negative 50 on the day. But look, that's a 10% increase on your account size. Do you guys get what I'm saying here? That's a 10% increase on your account size. But because you was greedy, you went from being up 10% on your account and you ended up losing, right, being down 2%. So that's a 12% swing to the negative. Focus on growing your account by 2 to 3 to 4% every single day. You're gonna have your days where your account grows by 15%, 10%, 8%, cool. But as long as you can continue to compound that amount, you're gonna look up and be like, damn, this is crazy. Okay? What about 3 months? Last thing I'm gonna show you. You start with $1,000 and you focus on this, right? For 22 times 3 months, that's 66. All right, let's calculate it. In 3 months, you could go from 1K to 7K methodically, predictably, right? Off the same system. Same system. And now you got 7K to work with, and then you do the same thing and you got the 7K, right? And then in 3 months, boom, 50K. So in 6 months, you could go from 1,000 to 50K if you focus on a 3% portfolio growth every single day. It's simple as that. All right? So I really hope that you guys understood what I'm saying. All right? This is not a game. I hope you guys understood what I'm saying. All right? This stuff can change your life when you focus on it like this. All right? Stop looking at how much money you make, and I want you to start doing the math and say, okay, how much did my account size grow today? And focus on that number. All right? Remember, email me if you got questions. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm going to do something special. All right? Make sure you get up out of your head. Go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? I'm going to see you guys on tomorrow's video. Peace.